Peachtree Neurosurgery is a team of doctors and staff all ready to take care of every patient that comes through the door.
We have 5 surgeons, and we specialize in surgical management and medical management of spine and brain disorders.
We work hard to treat each patient as an individual. In the modern healthcare world where everybody kind of gets to be a number or an insurance payer, really focus on the individual and try to make them feel special and make sure that they have a great experience. That's something we go out of our way to do a good job with.
Peachtree Neurosurgery was founded in 1979 to serve the North Atlanta region. Historically, many of the top physicians in Atlanta have been members of Peachtree Neurosurgery.
We focus really hard to make sure that we have the best staff, and we also have the best physicians. So if you look at the places where our physicians have trained and gained their experience at, they're at the finest institutions in this nation.
One of the real strengths we believe about Peachtree Neurosurgery is that we are a small group of 5 dedicated surgeons. We feel like we're kind of in the sweet spot. Some medical groups get too big where all the doctors don't know each other. Some are perhaps too small to provide the collaborative benefit of being able to talk to your partners about difficult and complex problems.
Every Monday we have a spine conference where all 5 of the neurosurgeons in the group get together and we discuss complicated cases.
And then the patient really has the benefit of 5 opinions when we finally make a surgical or non-surgical recommendation.
Many patients have concern that neurosurgery automatically means that surgery will be involved in their care. In reality, we only end up operating on approximately 35% of the patients that we see in the office. However, if the patients do require surgery, we specialize in the latest surgical techniques.
We've now moved on to using very minimally invasive techniques. The minimally invasive techniques hurt less. Patients get out of the hospital faster. They do better. They're happier.
I have a number of significant cases that I do where people come in same day, go home the same day.
A common misconception is that neurosurgeons only operate on the brain. We do operate on the brain, but most of our energy is actually focused on spine surgery. We spend 6 or 7 years in residency training doing spine surgery throughout that time.
Neurosurgeons are very respectful of the nervous system, the spinal cord, the nerves. For that reason, I think we do a better job than a lot of the other specialties that deal with spine. We're respectful of the nervous system, which is the sensitive part, but at the same time, we're able to stabilize the spine, fix the spine, and make the patient better.
Our philosophy at Peachtree Neurosurgery starts with the type of physician that we bring into this practice. We take great pride in having physicians who are compassionate, who are dedicated to the care of each patient that they see.
We feel like that if patients do well and have a good experience, that word of mouth is going to bring us more patients and they're going to do well, and it just kind of snowballs in a positive direction. And if you look at the history of our corporation, that's what's happened.
At Peachtree Neurosurgery, we have the experience, the skills, judgment, the technology, and the care. We'll be glad to take care of your needs.